Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we're going to learn how to remove people from your travel photos. So this is a picture of me and my wife and we're going to use it to show you how to remove the people. Let's say like we want to remove this person. So we have already downloaded it and now we're going to use this free tool. And first we'll just drop the image here. Okay. So now there are a couple of options. You have background removal, retouch. So in this case, we're just going to do retouch. So you see like there is a cursor here. So just let's drag this so that this person is covered under it. It's a little bit slow, but it gets the job done. We'll leave the shadow. Okay, now we have the option erase or generate. We'll select the erase. Remember that this is a free tool and you can also change your brush size from the right side of the see like this person disappeared. You can do it with the other persons too. You just chose this one. So this is how you remove people from your travel photos using AI. It's a free tool. It's called Pixelcut.ai and I'm going to put the link on the YouTube description below. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.